For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on privacy and security. Then we're going to scroll down and click on camera. You want to make sure that the correct app that you want to use has your camera access enabled. So if I want to use game bar with my camera, you want to make sure that this is on. You can try this and see if this works. If it doesn't work, then just try to turn everything on and then see if that works. For the second step, we're going to click on apps on the left side right here. Then we're going to click on installed apps. Then you want to find camera. So here's camera right here. You want to click on the three dots and then click on advanced options. Then you want to scroll down and make sure that background apps permissions is on power optimized recommended. And then you want to scroll down again and then you want to click on reset. And then click on reset again. And then you want to see if that works. If it still doesn't work, then you want to click on repair. And then see if that works as well. For the third step, we're going to head over to search and then type in Windows Powershell. You want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on it, you want to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. And then you want to click on enter. This will reinstall the camera application for you. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to do it, but you do it. And once you complete everything in this video, restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.